Hi, welcome to Qigong. I'm Jem, and who here is ready for a beach day? Yeah, so we're all kind of stuck at home right now and we can't do a real beach day. Maybe some of us have access to some deserted beaches and can still do something. But as for me, I'm in the desert and there's not really a beach here. So to make up for that, I thought we'd take a little virtual trip to the beach with Qigong, of course, because that's what we're doing here. So I'm going to show you guys some moves associated with the ocean, and this correlates to the full moon we had last night, because, you know, moon, tides, ocean, it all goes together, trust me. At any rate, we're going to drink in that sea air today, and so get excited and get ready to feel refreshed and rejuvenated with some seaside moves. If you're liking what I'm doing, please follow and share and like and whatever, all my things. I'm at Qigong on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And if you really like what I'm doing and would like to help contribute, I take donations at paypal.me/Qigong, and they're greatly appreciated. So, hope you guys enjoy this. We'll do a little virtual beach day. So let's head out, get excited. All right, so sunglasses aren't really necessary if you're inside doing this. I just wanted to make it a little more fun. So if you want, you can grab some sunglasses, feel a little cooler as you do your Qigong, or just follow along with me. I'm also wearing some swim shorts, you know, don't want to get my good martial arts pants wet in the ocean, like duh. So just, you know, when you're at home for a while, we're all getting pretty creative. So if you want to play along, play along. If not, no worries. Just sit back, do some exercises and relax. Remember, you can do all of these sitting, laying down, or purely visualizing in your mind. If you have physical limitations, it works just as well all those ways. But it's definitely easier if you can be walking around and doing the movements with me, because then you don't have to concentrate quite so hard on what you're imagining. So we'll start by taking a little stroll at the beach. Well, actually, let's start by doing an opening bow today. And then placing our hands over our dantian and breathing in, opening our energy and breathing out, letting that energy go. So we will start with our Qi walking again, as we do on our little adventure videos like this. I did one that was walking in the woods a couple days ago. So today we're at the beach. So I want you to imagine the softest sand under your feet. Now this sand can look however you want. It can be any color you want. Let's stretch out our imagination a little bit. You know, I was on Jeju Island recently, you might have seen in some of my videos, and they have black sand beaches and white sand beaches and even gold sand beaches, which were pretty cool. You can have a red sand beach, you can have a purple sand beach, you can have a crystal sand beach, you know, whatever you like that you feel like amplifies your power, feels soft and nice under your feet, and it's just fun. So imagine, I think I'm gonna imagine a multicolored crystal sand beach. I don't know if you've seen those pictures of like sea glass stones that are so tiny, and the light comes through them and forms beaches made of crystals or tiny stones or glass that's been rubbed down by the ocean. But those are just beautiful pictures. And so I'm going to imagine a lot of tiny grains of colorful sand that sparkle in the sunlight all around me and are really soft and smooth to walk in. So for our Qi walking, remember we'll go from heel to toe and kind of rolling our foot, feeling each piece of our foot as we move. We also want to be kind of in our Qigong stance, having our tailbone being pulled down to the ground, head being pulled up, chin being tucked back, and tongue just behind the front teeth where the palate meets the front teeth, and loose shoulders, open armpits, open fingers, loose knees, and we'll be walking, or I'll be walking around in a circle so that you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. But if you want to walk around your house, that's fine. If you just want to walk in a circle, if you just want to sit down and move your feet a little bit, that works too, whatever you're most comfortable with. So we'll start our Qigong walking, being very mindful of where we're walking. The sand beneath our feet, taking in our footprints. We're on the soft, dry sand right now. It's not too hot, and there's a light, warm breeze blowing around us, tangling around our hands. Let's move our hands forward and backward. Inhaling as we bring our arms out before us, and exhaling as they go behind us. Just getting a little warmed up. Inhale, exhale, feeling the wind tangle around your fingers. Seeing the water now in the distance, not too far. We see the waves moving the way our arms are moving. We come to the water, the wet sand giving way to a beautiful, clear, bright ocean. The sun is hitting the water, and sea spray is going up every now and then on giant rocks to either side of us. And the sand, the water is coming in and out perfectly clear with sea foam lining it, tickling near our feet. We look down and watch the water. We've stopped walking now. Just stand in your Qigong stance, breathing in, seeing water come in towards you, breathing out as it recedes. Now I want you to do the arm movement we just did, and this time we're going to breathe in as we bring our hands to us and breathe out as our hands go away. So move with the waves, see them moving as you move your arms. You gain energy from them and bring it into your body. So inhale, exhale. Inhale, relaxing more and more into your body. Exhale. Inhale. Expanding your stomach as you breathe. Exhale. Contracting it. Inhale, feeling the energy of the ocean starting to fill you. Exhale. Inhale. Try to move from your shoulders so that your hands feel like they're floating. See the ocean wrapping each wave, now touching your feet. The water is warm and clear, and you smell that beautiful sea air. Just the right amount of warmth and wetness to be comforting. And the water's now around your ankles, washing your feet. Inhale. Exhale, seeing the waves recede. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Let's continue walking down the beach. Now we're walking halfway in and halfway out of the water as the waves move past our feet. Keep pressing in each individual part of your foot as you go. Feeling the sand beneath your feet, feeling the water beneath your feet as it moves in and out. Feeling the sea foam, the bubbles, tickling at your feet and popping as you step on them. Breathing in the air. Feeling the bright sun, the warmth on your skin. It sinks into your skin and into your muscles and into your bones and bone marrow, warming your body in all the places it needs to be warmed. Feel it go all the way through your body until it exits out the bottom of your feet back into the water. At the same time, feel the water's energy rushing up through you. The coolness, the slow tranquility, the flexibility and softness of water, filling your body with new, vibrant, clear energy. Let's take another stop. Standing a little bit deeper in the water. The waves are a little bit behind us and the water comes about halfway up our calves. And we can feel the waves undulating around us. Gently though, so we won't lose our balance. We just feel the movement of the water as it's pulled and pushed around us. Now for this movement, let's loosen our knees a little bit and do it to the degree that you feel comfortable. Please don't overextend yourself. But we're going to breathe in, filling our stomachs to our dantian, our energy center right here behind our belly button. And I want you to raise a hand, either one, up here, and then lower your knees as you feel comfortable. Make sure not to push yourself too hard. And exhale down, trying to keep your spine as straight as you can. And inhale as you scoop up the water, seeing the droplets crystallize and splash back in as they're hit by the sun. And then exhaling back down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to scoop the water. And exhale. Inhale, raising your hand. Exhale, lowering your legs and hand. Inhale, scooping that water, seeing it fall down through your fingers. And exhale, releasing all the water as the sun hits around you. Inhale, exhale, scoop and inhale, and exhale. We'll do 2 more. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale, scoop, exhale, let go. Last one, inhale, feel the beach, the ocean, the water around your fingers, dropping through your fingers. Exhale, feeling the sun warm your hand after the cooler water. All right, let's keep moving again, walking out of the water now, back onto the land, walking where the water meets the sand, feeling our feet press into the sand, our footprints being left behind us and then washed away. Inhale and exhale. And now we'll stop. Our feet pressed into the sand a little back from the water, looking up to the sun, closing our eyes, unless we have sunglasses. No, you still shouldn't look directly at the sun with sunglasses. But feeling the energy of the sun on our bodies, feeling the life, the vibration it gives to us as our bodies heat up slightly. Inhale and exhale. And raise your arms, lowering your shoulders to raise your arms, and bring that sunshine into your body, letting it fill you. Inhale all the way up this time, breathe out, sending out the energy from the earth towards the sun, and now bringing in, inhaling the sun's energy into the top of our head and letting it shine down through the rest of our body, cleansing our organs, warming the ones that need to be warmed, but not overheating anything, just simply rebalancing, bringing warmth to where we need it again. Inhale, we'll do this one more time. Exhale, sending energy out to the sun. Inhale, bringing in that new warm energy, and exhale, letting it roll down through your body and out your feet. Rub your hands together until they're warm. Put them out in the sunlight, seeing how it shines over your skin, how it warms and refreshes you. And imagine sucking in energy, chi from the environment around you in through your fingers, up your arms. Breathe in. That energy filling you goes up your arms to the back of your neck and then down to the middle of your back. And then see energy coming up through your toes, going up your legs, up your spine, meeting that other energy in the back. Those two energies come together to collide and rise up the back of your neck. See that energy coming around the front of your face, washing through your face. See it coming down your neck, down your shoulders, down your arms, back up your arms, back to your middle back, and now around your rib cage, filling all those bones with new fresh energy till it stops and meets at your sternum and then lowers back into your dantian. We've just cleansed all our bones with this thought. So inhale, feeling that. Feeling your bones refreshed and reinvigorated. Breathe out. And when you breathe out, we'll breathe in and out a few times. When you breathe in, see that energy brightening. And when you breathe out, see it compressing into your bones. Ready? Inhale. The energy's entering and brightening, and exhale, pushing that energy further into your bones. Inhale. You should be able to hear your breaths. Exhale, compressing that energy into your bones. Inhale. And this time when you compress the energy into your bones, squeeze all your muscles in your body at the same time. And inhale, relaxing and letting go. And exhale, letting all residual tension go. So now let's do our closing exercises. That was a fun day. Fun little walk at the beach. And let's pat down our arms 3 times to seal in that energy. Other arm. Down our torso. Hammer fist to the outside, down our legs, up the inside of our legs. 3 times. And get those hip joints too. Get any stagnant energy out of them. And also do the same to your tailbone. So a lot of energy gets stuck there. And then take the back of your fists and gently massage your kidneys. Scoop up some of that imaginary sea water and pat that into our kidneys, seeing the clear, fresh energy go into our kidneys and fill them and smooth them and clarify them. Refreshing them, moisturizing them with chi energy. And then breathe in, bringing all your energy back to your dantian. Circle around 8 times. Seal the energy and bring your feet together. Inhale, exhale and bow. And there we go. So that was our beach day. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was pretty short, it wasn't a whole day, but hopefully you had fun with that little exercise. And if you liked it, comment, like it, let me know, and maybe I'll do more like it in the future, maybe some more extended ones. At any rate, hope you found this an enjoyable little escape, and let's do it again soon. See you guys later. Have a wonderful day.